Hello, welcome back to my channel, Dr.Shireesha's Management Lectures. In this video, we'll try to see how to stop micromanagement. In the previous video, we have discussed the detrimentality or how micromanagement kills productivity. Okay, and we have also understood in that video that micromanaging is something where the boss or the superior, he relentlessly tries to show his dominance over his subordinates, and they try to question every single input you give as an employee, and which is very frustrating. From the employee's point of view, micromanagement is totally frustrating, and it has a very negative impact on the employee productivity. That is what we have already understood. Now, how to stop micromanaging? If you are a boss, if you have employees under you working for you, for your organization, you definitely have to inspect them, you definitely have to look over them, and you definitely have to guide them, direct them. You have to manage them. That is a very responsibility of you as a manager. But there is a fine line between managing the employees, guiding the employees, and micromanaging the employees and questioning the employees for every single input that they try to put in. So that micromanagement builds an overall environment of mistrust and lack of confidence, lack of zeal and enthusiasm. Right? So now what you have to do to stop micromanagement? Thing is, the boss has to delegate tasks. See, managers who micromanage, they feel delegation or assigning tasks to their employees and giving them due freedom in making decisions, that is a sign of weakness. People who micromanage, superiors who micromanage, they feel that delegation is a sign of weakness, but it is not. Delegation is the right way of management. That is how you have to manage people as a superior, as a business owner, or as an entrepreneur. You have to delegate tasks. You cannot be present everywhere and do things, everything by yourself. That is not a smart or an intelligent manager does. Okay, so come out of that mindset or that wrong notion that delegation is a sign of weakness, but rather delegation is the art of management, right? And assign certain tasks to the employees, and big thing is give them some autonomy, give them some freedom to make decisions. Okay. Embrace SMART goal approach. Set targets to your employees. Give them time-bound targets. Like here, SMART, that is an acronym where the goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Okay? Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound targets or goals. Don't randomly assign tasks. Be specific, okay, and give them those SMART goals so that your employees also will have clarity about what they are supposed to do, when they are supposed to finish, what they are exactly expected to deliver, and things like that. Okay, so instead of giving generalized instructions or randomly delegating tasks, make them SMART. That helps them be specific, and for the manager or the boss also can have some relaxation, because they know they have delegated specific terms, or they have assigned measurable tasks, time bound tasks, relevant goals. Okay, and welcome constructive criticism. The biggest like question mark. We always hate criticism as human beings, that is natural. But there is again a fine line between criticism, intentional criticism, and constructive criticism. And a boss, a manager, a true leader should welcome constructive criticism, because that really gives the boss new openings to new ways of doing things and doing things in a much better way. So always be open to constructive criticism. I'll always be open to constructive feedback. Okay, and that really helps the boss. If you are a manager, that helps you in becoming a better person, a better boss, or a better manager. Okay, follow intentional and lead from the front, or intentional leadership we call it. Don't try to micromanage the employees. At the same time, do not try to take a back seat. Again, set smart goals to your employees and try to focus on what they are actually doing, and give your valuable inputs whenever it is needed. Establish a proper communication channel or communication network which is reciprocative, two-way. Okay, so that is how you can really be an intentional leader, and you can lead from the front. At the same time, not micromanage. Okay, so in total, trust your employees' competence. That is the baseline, or that is the bottom line to avoid micromanaging. If you basically place that confidence on your subordinates that they are qualified, experienced, and rational human beings, they can make decisions. Trust them. And you definitely, as a boss, be on top. Try to observe, try to guide, do not micromanage. Do not cross that fine line. Okay? Thank you.